Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day when I'm going to unbox my October fab bag. So this month's fab bag is like this. It's a gold foiled kind of a bag. October is the month of festivities like Navratri, Durga Puja and Diwali, which is going to come up very soon. So for that, this bag is really apt, and we have got quite a few products this time, including makeup and skincare. So let me pick them up one by one and show you what I got in this month's fab bag. So first I got these 3 cards, which are very usually you all know. So this is the fab bag description card, which says the Festive Fusion October fab bag. So this bag is the Festive Fusion bag. So we have 6 products in this bag, and some of them are full size, some of them are deluxe size. I'm really loving how they have curated this month's fab bag and what products they have sent me. So let me open the most fragile item because it's broken, guys. Seeing this, my heart is broken completely. So the first item is Sugar's Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in metal. So I have one of these. I think the gold one I have, and this is the product that came in completely smashed. I think I have to set it down with rubbing alcohol. So this is a tragic story. So the Sugar highlighter is a mini highlighter, and it's priced at 399 rupees for 4 grams of product. Second thing we got is a foot spray, which is, the concept is really new to me. I haven't ever used a foot spray. So this is the Nature's Core Lemongrass foot spray. I believe it smells really nice, and it's for those who wear shoes for a really long time, like for your workouts, or if you are a player or something like that. You need to just spray this one and your feet are going to smell really nice. Although I don't wear shoes much, I am more like a sandal person, so I don't know how I'm going to use this. Maybe I'm going to give this to my father. This is a 50 ml product, and the price is 285 rupees. Next we have another spray. So this is Urvija Lavender Mint Facial Spray. So it has lavender, it has mint, so you are going to feel relaxed when you are in traveling. Your face looks dull and you are not very happy with how your face looks. So you're going to spritz this onto your face and you're going to feel very fresh instantly. I'm really looking forward to use this product. I really love using facial mists, especially when I'm out for a long time. I really need that boost of freshness to my face. This is a 50 ml product, and the price is 120 rupees, which is really cheap. Next we have a face wash from Bellapierre Cosmetics. I have never used anything from Bellapierre Cosmetics. They have, I think they have their makeup line for a long time, but I was not aware of their skincare line. So this is the face wash, Milk Cleansing Face Wash, Skin Clean and Purify, fighting against signs of aging, removes makeup, cleanses skin, and they have written premium skincare here, and it's a 100 ml product, and the price is 399 rupees. Next is their star product. So the Sugar highlighter was their star product, and along with that, this Disguise Feather Light Matte Liquid Lip Cream was the star product of this October fab bag. So this is in the shade Naughty Magenta 33, and it is a really nice magenta color. So this is the color, and this is the packaging of this. I am really impressed with the packaging. I have never seen anything like this. I have tried out the texture, and the texture is very similar to Miss Claire lip creams and NYX soft matte lip creams, and this is a very pretty color for autumn and for winter. This is a really nice color. I am using warm light, so it is taking away from this, but this color is much more darker in real life, and it's quite cool toned. So yeah, I'm going to try doing a look with this one. So this lip product has no parabens, no lead, and it is 100% vegan, and it's cruelty free, PETA approved cruelty free product. So I'm really happy about this one. So this is a full size product, and the price is 700 rupees.
Guys, I was editing the video and I saw that I missed recording one clip that was of this nail polish. So this is from Major Crush and Gel Shine nail polishes, Chocolate Amore, and the number is 123. So I got this in my fab bag, October fab bag, and I forgot to record the clip. I don't know why my camera stopped recording and I couldn't include this clip in my video. So this is the nail polish for you guys, and this is daylight and natural light. So this is the color. I really love this kind of colors. I was looking for this kind of color for a long time. This is very apt for this season, and that's it. So now let's move on to the video.
So that was it about October fab bag. I'm really happy that I have received this month's bag and how they have curated it, as I said earlier, and I am really impressed with the products they have chosen for this month, and the skincare products, the makeup products. I really love everything about it. The only sad part is the highlighter came broken, but I'm definitely going to fix that up and it will be ready to use. So let me know how you like this month's fab bag. If you want to know more about fab bag, go to my description box, and for all my subscribers I have a 10% off code if you subscribe for the 3-month, 6-month and 12-month packages. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling, and also Shubho Vijaya and happy Dasera to all of you. Bye.